Right, so welcome to our class, and then we'll be talking about theorem of Pythagoras. Theorem of Pythagoras. Right, so welcome to our class, and then we'll be talking about theorem of Pythagoras. That's our topic for today. I just hope it's here. Just try to make increase the screen so that you can be able to see. Good evening, class. I'm trying to greet you on the stream, on the comments. I hope you can be able to see the screen. I hope you can be able to see the screen. We want to start with our lesson. Okay. Seems like you can see. Okay. Let me see on the comments if you are with me. Let's see on the comments. Okay. Okay, let's check on the comments there. You can comment. Show that you're with me. Then we're going to start, not solo. Okay, I'll call you in late class and I'll call you afternoon solo. Sure. Let's see. Are we still together here? I can see that people are joining. Oh, some they say they are born ready. I'm asking to say, are you ready? Others they said, yes, we are born ready. If you are just joining us and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, you can just click that button, subscribe, and be part of this family. Just be part of this family. We are going to focus on theorem of Pythagoras, for which we will use it even in grade 10, in grade 11. It's something which is being used in even in grade 12. There is theorem of Pythagoras, so you can't get tired of theorem of Pythagoras. All right, I can see people are ready. I can see I'm about to start now. Okay. All right. I think we are good to go now. Seems like everything is in place. All right. Welcome, learners. Those who just joined, like I told you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and be part of this great family of mathematics. Okay. So now, if we talk about theorem of Pythagoras, When we talk about the theorem of Pythagoras, we need a what class? A right angled. We must have a right angled triangle. That's what we must have if we want to talk about the theorem of Pythagoras. It's not applied on any triangle. It have to be a right angled triangle. Don't forget to subscribe. Those who are just joining, you can see we have a couple of people here on the stream. Those who are just joining, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, right angled triangle. That is where it's one of our condition for us to apply the right angle, I mean the theorem of Pythagoras. Okay, it should be something like this. Okay. Okay. You can see. Yeah. This is what we must have for us to be able to apply the theorem of Pythagoras. So this is A, and this is B, and this is C. You see? Then I can call this one a small letter B, and then this one a small letter C, and this one a small letter A. You see? So, which means that if ever I am to deal with this thing, it means that we are going to say the sides that you add is those ones which meet at what? At 90 degrees. So which means that a squared, you add those sides which meet at 90. It's a squared and what? A squared plus c squared is equal to b squared, which is the what? The longest side. See? And then you say Pythagoras. That is the reason. You just say Pythagoras. All right? And then now we can use it to find other sides which are not given. You see? The other sides which are given, and there are some sides which are not going to be given. Use Pythagoras to find. Okay? Let's have an example on the things that we are talking about. Okay? Let's have an example. Let's say, for example, we have this one. You see this line? Let's say we have this. We are told that this is 90. And then we are told this is A, B, C. And then we are being told that this is 4 centimeter. See? And then we are being told that this is 3 centimeter. Now we are asked to find the length of AC. See? We are asked to find the length of AC. And then now the issue will be, how do we find the length of AC? Those who just joined, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay? Now just do the right thing. Now, how do you find this? Remember, this is the longest side. So you will start by saying 4 squared in bracket plus 3 squared is equal to AC squared. That's what you do. We do. We replace those sides and then it become easy for us. And then this one will be 16 plus 9 is equal to AC squared. And then that will be 25 is equal to AC squared. And then how do you remove a squared there? It will be AC is equal to the square root of 25, for which the answer is 5 centimeter. You see? I hope that one is clear, guys. Yes, yes, Shongotelo Chungwani. It's necessary. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. You see? Yes, yes. Yes, yes, guys. I like your input. The longest side is called the hypotenuse. Yes, 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 that's okay. The longest side is called the hypotenuse. You see? Those are the two adjacent sides. You see? Those are the two adjacent sides. Those are the ones. All right? All right. Let's try to have something else and see. Let's this time around we were looking for the hypotenuse. Thank you, Tinsualo. So now let's try to look for this other sides like the adjacent if we are given the hypotenuse. You see? How do we do it? Let's say, for example, we have this, right? I think we are good on this one. Let's start. Let's try to have something here. And then I can call this one P, I'll call this one Q and R. And then I write here that this is 13 centimeter. And then here we just write 5 centimeter. And then we say, what is QR? You see, what is QR? I like your inputs, guys. Don't worry, you can just put the input. Is it necessary to put a squared? Yes, yes, Longotel. It's important, it's necessary. What we start, okay? All right. Now let's look at this other one. We are to find these adjacent sides, those two adjacent sides. Now let's look at this one. We are given the hypotenuse. Okay. And then now we also have one of the side, it's the adjacent side. When we talk about the issue of opposite, it's when we're going to go to the grade 10s. In grade 10, uh, we have opposite and adjacent and also hypotenuse. But for grade 8 and 9, you don't talk about that because I understand we have grade 8 and 9 learners here and some grade 10s. So in this case, your formula, you can start it at the hypotenuse. You can say PR squared, the longest side. You see, how do you know that is the longest side? It's opposite to the what? To the 90 degrees. PR squared is equal to PQ squared plus QR squared. Now, after starting with the longest side, PR, where there is PR, you're going to put what? 13. Then you say 13 squared. When there is PQ, what are you going to write? 5. Then you say 5 squared plus QR squared. Then this is 169 is equal to 25 plus QR squared. You see? Then you can take this one to come this side. It will be 169 minus 25 is equal to QR squared. And then what is this? This is 144, you see? This is 144 is equal to QR squared. And then how do you remove the squared there? You introduce the what? The square root. What is the square root of 144? Is 12 centimeter. See? Good. Now, this is applied in grade 10, grade 9, and grade 8, the theorem of Pythagoras. Also in grade 11 and 12, but it cannot be set directly in grade 11 and 12. The only part where they can directly assess it is in grade 10 and grade 9 and grade 8. All right. Okay. That is the thing that we are talking about. Can I give you an activity? Do we understand, guys? Can I give you an activity for you to try? Can I give you an activity? Right. Seems like you are ready for the activity. Um, I want you to I want you to show me what you're capable of in this activity that I'm going to give you. Just show me what you're capable of. Let me try to get maybe an ugly one. A, B, C. 10 meters. 6 meters. Calculate the length of AB. 3 marks. Do it. Try to be quick. Do it. Right. Those who are just joining us, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys. Don't forget, click that button written subscribe and you become part of this family. Whenever we go live, you get a message and then you'll benefit. Calculate the length of AB. Write the answer on the comment. Okay, Nkuluko Pavele. When it comes to ordering, it doesn't, you just have to follow the Pythagoras rule. Because if we can say, someone can say a squared plus b squared plus a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and then that would be wrong. So what you need to do, just follow the theorem of Pythagoras. Okay, or else, oh no, now I think I get you. Others, they can say CB or BC or AC, but we're advised to write them in order, you see? Okay, here it is. You start with the longest side. This longest side is opposite to 90 degrees, which means your answer will be BC squared is equal to AC squared plus AB squared. That's what you do. What is your BC? It's 10. So it's 10 squared. What is your AC? It's 6. 6 squared plus AB squared. That's Pythagoras, you see? That's Pythagoras theorem. And then that is 100. And this one is 36 plus AB squared. Then you group, it will be 100 minus 36 is equal to AB squared. And then that is 64 is equal to AB squared. Now, what is AB, class? Look at this. You just go and say square root of 64. And then the answer is 8 meters. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Very good. There are those who got 8. Keep up the good work. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. 8. That's correct. Okay? I like that. Right. Now, yes, I see Faith Gift also got 8. That's brilliant, guys. You're doing a very good job. Okay, so now let me try to give you a difficult one. Let me give you a difficult one. This one, it will be very, very difficult. You're not going to, maybe you will get it. Let me say, let me say, is triangle ABC a right angled triangle or not? Put NB to this question. Might appear in your test or in an exam, right? A, B, C. Yes, Matozi Rupiwa, it's correct. It's correct. It's also correct. 5 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters. 4 marks. Look at that. Those who just joined, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now, the question is triangle APC a right angle triangle or not? Yes or no? Try. Are you done? Yes. Oh, Matodzi. No. No, 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 no. Matodzi said it has 90 degrees. That's not 90 there. For it to be a right angled triangle, this is what must happen. You need to assume the bigger side. You need to say, you just put a line like this. And then you say, the bigger side is 5. So remember, if you can square this one, it will be 5 squared and is equal to what? 25. So which means that what you did, you squared them. And then the next thing will be AB. Let's try this two. If we can square them and they give us 25, it means that yes. So you come and square 20 AB, and then you square also BC. Remember, what is AB? That is 3 squared. BC, that is 4 squared. When you press a calculator, it will be 9 plus 16. And then what do you have? 25. Oh, 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 oh. What does it mean now? It means AB squared plus BC squared is equal to AC squared. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. It's a right angled triangle. Why? Because when you square the longest side, and then when you also square those other sides and add them, they are giving you the same answer. It satisfies the theorem of Pythagoras. All right. I hope you saw it. Can I give you yours to try now after seeing how it's supposed to be done? Are we together? Okay. That's how we give you 2 marks. 2 marks for this side, 1 mark for this, and 1 mark for conclusion. Okay. All right. Let me give you yours to try. Try to be quick on this one. I hope you are going to win now. 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 Okay. Okay. I'm going to give you a difficult one. 17, 15, and 8. I'll call this one triangle M N O. M N O. 4 marks. Do it. Try to be quick. Those who just joined our lessons, don't forget to subscribe. Those who just joined recently, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. is triangle MNO a right angle triangle or not? Are you done? Okay. Nzakomanganya is saying it is a right angled triangle. Right. Can we do correction now? All right. All right. Let's try. You just make a line like this. Then you go to the longest side. Which one is your longest side there? It's 17. Then you just say 17 squared, which is your NO. It's your 17 squared. You said it's giving you 289. That's what you have on this side. And then when you come this side and say MO squared plus MN squared, and then this is 15 squared plus 8 squared. When you press a calculator, you get 289. So the answer is yes. Why are you saying yes? MN squared plus MO squared is equal to NO squared. Did you get it, guys? Yes. Pythagoras. It satisfies the theorem of Pythagoras. Yes, because we have 90 degrees angle. Yeah, that's correct. That's how we do it. 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 Okay. I think let me just show you something. We'll call it wait. All right. This is how we're gonna be working, guys. That's how we're gonna be working. Make sure you communicate with your parents on this poster that I told you about. You see this poster? I don't know if okay. So from Wednesday, that is where we're going to be operating on this platform. It won't be on YouTube. Here on YouTube, I will just be I'm no longer going to be having classes like this. What will be happening now is I already have some learners. There are some already joined and paid, are already added in the group. So what you need to do, you talk to your parents. If they need my banking details, I give you, or you can join the class and see how it is going. So on Wednesday, this program it's starting for grade 8 up until grade 11. Grade 12, they are starting today. So in this one, you will be able to see and ask. You will be able to press the mic and say, sir, I don't understand. Can we continue? Can we do this? Can you explain to me on this part? So this is not expensive. If you can take your calculator, you can say 200 divided by 12 days, you will see that it's just a small amount, and you're going to be getting tests. We'll be writing a test. We'll be working together on this one. So online, it's only videos that I'm going to be uploading. So make it a point, communicate with your parents, and then you join this online classes where I will send you a link. And this link that I will send you, don't share it with your friends, like, because I won't be able to know who joined. So if I give you the link, it's secret. It's for you. You join it every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. During exam, let's say it's Thursday and you are writing on Friday. We can also have one-on-one where you tell me, say, I don't understand this topic. Explain. Then you get a distinction. Yes. So YouTube, you see now, I'm the one talking. You can't talk there. Sometimes when you type, I can't answer. So this is just a token of appreciation, which on Wednesday we'll be starting. There are other learners. Some are here on the comments. I can see them that have already joined. The others were inboxing me, say, when are we starting? Because they already paid. So my numbers are there. Are we all in the group? If you're not in the group, this is the numbers that you must take. Let me show you the numbers. You can see the numbers that we have there. My numbers are there. Are we all in the group? If you're not in the group, it's the numbers that you must take. Yes, yes, Mandla. We are starting this Wednesday, a day after tomorrow. We are starting with our final examination preparations. Remember, you're going to be writing, the paper you're going to be writing will be provincial for grade 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, all these grades. 12, it will be national. But grade 8 to 11, it will be a provincial paper. Yes. Yeah, we'll have tests and activity there. Any question before we can call it a day? And those who will watch this video later, the classes will still be on. On. When you get the number, you ask. All right. It seems like there is no question. So, as for today, the activities, I will have to send them in the group. So, you can have my number and then you will ask me. Oh, those who are saying, is it necessary to pay before Wednesday? No, before Wednesday is it's only the space which you keep. Okay? It's only the space which you keep. Uh, the early when you pay early, that means you're secured. The space is secured. Remember, my groups have thousands and thousands of people in different grades. So, but if you don't have money at that particular time, we communicate. Even if I don't know you, maybe I trust you, and then we continue. We work and work and work and work. You get the parents involved, and then I don't think there is a parent who can rob me, but you can pay on Wednesday. There's no problem. But yeah, if it's there, you make a payment and then you start. No, on YouTube, I will go live sometimes. It's just that I'm quite busy, you know. There are those learners who need attention who have paid. So, but on YouTube, I will. What will I do? I will upload videos. But for me to go live, I think it should be a day, like maybe a day where when I'm not busy, and I can't guarantee that. That's why I'm saying you should join those private classes. You pay that 200, I become your personal tutor in all your subjects. I mean, NS, technology, maths, or maths and sciences. Any question before I can go? I think any question you can direct it to my numbers. All right, the class. Oh, there is a question. Do you sometimes have scopes? So yeah, so as there is no exam that you write that I don't know. That's the answer I can give to that one. Can we go to the next question if you have? All right. Now, I think I can go now. Thank you. Any question, you will direct it to my numbers. Thank you. Bye bye.